everyone, today we will learn two drills with cones and two drills with the ball.
This is in-out drill. This is very simple drill. Start with the slow, after that we will try to fast. This drill is to improve your foot movement in the game. In this drill, you need to run between these cones in a zigzag way. You should move your feet as fast as you can. The main feature of this drill is speed and body balance.